Hi there, people. Hey, hello. What's up this side? Hey, I hope everyone is doing well and good with their lives. Okay, so I don't really know what exactly we're gonna be talking about in this video, but as the caption says, or as the title of the video says, stress. So, definitely, let me just get this straight. We are gonna talk about what exactly stress is, what are its causes, what can be the consequences, what are the symptoms, and the possible ways that we can cure it without any such furious help. What exactly is stress? What do you think? Any sort of fear, tension, mental, physical tension, pressure that we end up developing due to several factors, like for students it's examinations or their performance or anything, or anyone in their lives who's been facing any sort of crisis develops stress. Okay, no matter what the age is, it can be to a very young child to pretty adult age, doesn't matter. It can catch you anywhere indeed. So you must be relating that, for example, you have your examination, okay, and you haven't prepared very well. You end up having anxiety, you end up having tension, you fear that you might fail or perform not so well in your exams. But that's normal, okay? That's like every two children out of three end up having the same fear. Even myself did had this thing, but the only way you can cure this is that you prepare. First off, you prepare. But some even prepare good and still end up having the same thing. You need to know one thing, okay? Fear can put you down. Even the stress can put you down, but also you just have to believe on what you did, your practice, your preparation, all that's all that you have got, that you need to believe in. Okay, stress is nothing. Okay, you don't have to just take it very seriously until it literally is vigorous. Okay, stress sometimes is necessary, when you take things lightly and when you kind of don't focus much on your important things, you need stress over yourself. You need to realize that this thing is important, and if that makes a pressure over you, it keeps you going. It doesn't let you just get yourself off that thing and you end up in regret that for any damn reason you just left a thing that was so important in your life and you just left it. No, that's not done. That's no way not done. You need fear over yourself. If you will be having fear, you will be pushing yourself that I have the fear to lose this thing, so I need to keep going. I don't have to stop it any way, any possible way, because if you did, you will end up regretting, and that's way worse than having a fear. There's a saying that don't fear failures, because at the end failures are going to make you learn. You'll All that you're going to learn from is failures. Okay, you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna learn from them, you're gonna recover better, you're gonna come back better. Every time you fail, you learn something. But something that you should be terrified of is regret. Nothing's worse than that. Instead of not doing that hard work now and regretting later, that's not done. You just have to work. You just have to work your ass off. Indeed, you need to do that instead of regretting later. You don't have to cry to yourself later that if I did hard work that time, I wouldn't have been crying today. That's not done, okay? Just believe in yourself and take fears. That it's okay to feel fear for something because it's important to, and you're responsible. You care about that thing, is why you feel fear. Okay? That's the reason you feel stress. अरे यार, कोई चीज़ ज़रूरी है, अगर उसको खोने से डर लग रहा है तो मतलब वो ज़रूरी है आपके लिए, वो आपको समझ में आ रही है ये बात? ठीक है। What exactly you need to do is take a pen, make down a list, set the priorities, no matter if it's your exam, if it's your life goal or something, anything it is, just note it down, visualize it in your head, make it very, very clear. And the most important thing you need to get rid of is distractions. See, distractions are sometimes they are mild, sometimes they can get stronger, sometimes they are literally hardest thing to get rid of. And it's totally fine. Everyone goes through that phase. For some, it's gadgets like phone or something. They just end up getting so indulged in it that they don't realize they're wasting their precious time. And it's fine. It's a sort of a mistake that can be cured. You don't have to worry about it. That can be cured. And neither do you have to force yourself over any through any very hard thing that you can't barely take. Let me just get this straight, okay? Stress is necessary. It's not that it isn't. You need pressure on yourself. If you won't be having pressure on yourself and you get even a bit tired, there are most probably there are very likely chances for you to develop laziness. And if you ended up in that thing, that's gonna cost a lot to return to the same pace again. That again is gonna lead to regret. So better be disciplined. You don't have to end up lazy. That's not done at all. Okay. And one more thing that you need to take care of is clearance. Clearance and clearness. If you're not clear about your goal, that's again not done. You don't have to just follow a pile of fog, just keep walking and don't know where you're going, where exactly you're heading to. At least know where you want to go. If you don't know where you're going, at least know that where you want to go. Look for things that lead you in that direction. Look for people that can help you lead yourself into that direction. Some can mentor you. Find yourself a mentor and just begin. What are you waiting for? What exactly do you think that will be happening, and then you will be starting up. No one's gonna come and tell you that start now. You just need to do, because right now if you're not doing it, you're wasting your time. Nothing else. You're just wasting your time. If you're afraid of mistakes, just get it going. You might be failing. What would happen? You might fail. You're not gonna die from that. मर थोड़ी जाओगे। फेल हो रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा करो। फिर फेल हो गए, कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा करो। यूँ तो है नहीं that you're not learning something from that failure. It's not that you are just failing and repeating the same mistakes over and over again, over and over again. That's again not done. You're not that stupid, are you? Make mistakes, that fine, that's totally fine. Everyone make mistakes. No one's born perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Hope everyone knows this. Okay. So what exactly you have to do is just keep going. Don't stop, or don't just wait for anything to happen and make you start it. Especially not the regretful that you wasted your precious time and now it has became it has become something that's forcing you to do it. What exactly do we call it? A majburi? मजबूरी मत बनने दो यार उस चीज़ को कि मजबूरी की वजह से कोई चीज़ करनी पड़े. You would definitely lose your time. You don't have to do that. You literally don't have to do that. Just start now. And for now, that's it. I hope everyone understood this. So that's gonna be for today. See you, people. Take care. Have a great day. See ya.